Here's the field for the 7th race. Number 1, What a Claire, and Joe Marsh Jr. Number 2 is Name Game. Tom Harmer will drive. Number 3, Kelly Guru and Ron Marsh. Number 4, Would I Lie, and Dave McGee. Number 5, Sweet Lady Kenwood and Brent Holland. Number 6, Quick Mischief, Randy Jacobs. Here's number 7, Sailing Speed in a driver change to Danny Knox. And number 8, The Eyes Have It. Steve Bonner will drive. That's the field. Now 4 minutes. Out of the turn. 7th race Pacers in behind the starting gate, and here they come. They're off. It's Sweet Lady Kenwood between horses. There goes Sailing Speed, and there goes What a Claire. Those 3 as they vie for position between horses. Sweet Lady Kenwood with a neck in front. On the inside, it's What a Claire. Second, it's 4 lengths back to Sailing Speed, followed by Name Game, followed by Kelly Guru. That's Would I Lie, followed by Quick Mischief. The Eyes Have It. Approaching the quarter, and here comes What a Claire. What a Claire now powers on by. It's Sweet Lady Kenwood at the quarter. 28-2, and What a Claire opens up 4 lengths. Sweet Lady Kenwood is second, 2 lengths. Sailing Speed in third. Kelly Guru is on a fourth now, moving up on the outside. On the inside of horses, Name Game and Would I Lie, heading for the half-mile marker. It's What a Claire with the lead, but Sailing Speed is on the attack on the outside. It's Sweet Lady Kenwood right there in third, followed by Kelly Guru. Would I Lie, Name Game, and Quick Mischief. 58-3 into the clubhouse turn, and Sailing Speed has the lead by 2 lengths. It's What a Claire second, a length and a quarter. Kelly Guru is on the outside first over. Sweet Lady Kenwood under the outside. It's Would I Lie, Quick Mischief. Out of the turn, they curve into the box stretch. Sailing Speed has the lead 2 lengths. It's What a Claire right there in second. On the outside, Kelly Guru takes over second. What a Claire in third, 3/4. 1:28-2 into the final turn. It's Sailing Speed, but here comes Would I Lie. Now fourth, now third. Circling horses moving into second. They're in the final length of a mile. It's Sailing Speed, Would I Lie, and Quick Mischief. Here they come, turning for home. Sailing Speed is under urging. Here comes Would I Lie. It's Sailing Speed with the lead. It's Would I Lie and Quick Mischief. Sailing Speed at the wire. Would I Lie and Quick Mischief. Number 7, Sailing Speed, was first. Number 4, Would I Lie, was second. Number 6, Quick Mischief, finished third. Ladies and gentlemen, the inquiry sign is posted. Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. This is a Stewart's inquiry. This inquiry concerns the unofficial winner, number 7, Sailing Speed, for possible violation of the pylon rule. In the winner's circle, 7, Sailing Speed. Sailing Speed is owned by Gary Williams, Bill and Annette Hamilton of Illinois and Iowa, trained by Annette Hamilton, driven by Danny Knox.